Hello, friends and stampers, card makers, paper crafters. It's Jackie Ballhais from Compton Stampers. I am excited to be here today to share with you the Creativity Made Simple card making templates. We've got 3 brand new templates that I know you're going to love, and they work awesome with any stamps, paper, and ink. The whole idea of these templates is to give you a resource to easily create with products you have. But I'm also going to share some amazing ideas using them with the, I think it's called Cheers and Sips. It's a new stamp set and bundle. I love it. I hope you do too. And I hope by seeing the cards I make with it, you'll understand how these templates are so valuable. So watch the video, catch all the measurements, make your templates, and pull them out when you're ready to create. So let's flip the camera down and let's get to work. So for those of you that have been following along, we are up to volume 8 of this series of Creativity Made Simple card making templates. Now, today we are making template number 25, 26, and 27. Lots of crafty ideas for you. So we're going to start out with our card base. Now remember, when we make our templates, we just use like the front of the card. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Doesn't waste cardstock that way, and also your bulk isn't so thick when you have all your templates to work with. So we're going to start with that, and then we're going to take 2 layers on here, and we are going to, this one here is measured, what do we got here? 3/4 by 4 1/4, and then we have 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. Now these, when you're making a card, these could be designer series paper, it could be coordinating colored cardstock, you could emboss it, you could stamp it. The ideas are endless. For the templates, I like to just use this neutral, different neutral shades so that I can really easily visualize this with any color, any paper, any cardstock. Okay, got that part. Then we've got our focal layer, which is going to be 2 by 3, and we are going to layer that onto 2 1/8 by 3 1/8. Now, if you are watching this video and making your templates, remember, you can fast forward it, rewind it, stop it, start it, whatever you need to do to catch all of those measurements to make your template. So, and we're going to stick that right there. And this is the layer we'll build our focal layer on. And there's our template, number 25 in our series. Now remember, your templates, when you're using them, turn them. It could be a card this way or this way, whichever way you want to go with it. This is your starting point, whether you're making a super simple card or you want to step it up with even more layers, die cuts, whatever. So, and also you can always adjust the sizes of the different pieces based on what you're making. Now let me bring in the samples I made. This month, we are featuring the Cheers and Sips stamp set along with the dies. Gorgeous designer series paper. Now, on this card, Let's Celebrate is the only stamping I actually did, except, in the inside. The rest of these images, I just fussy cut them from the designer series paper. So you can stamp them or cut them out of the paper. But a really easy layout, but especially with this paper, you can see I use designer series paper. It's a great card. And then of course we have to have that matching envelope. Now, I wanted to play around a little bit with changing this. So what I did, notice I turned my card this way, but I also took these layers and shifted them over to the left. Okay, can you visualize that? Again, that just shows you how versatile these are. And then we got the inside stamp. Now here I did bring in my dies. This was die cut from the paper. I've got some tips on the tutorial for that. And then all of these images were die cut, and you can see a little cool embossing on there to make it look like one of those fancy glasses. So there is the second card. Now remember, you can grab the measurements from this video on these, but I also have the written tutorial for you. This is a gift to you if you are one of my VIP customers this month and you place a $50 order in my online store this month. And then it not only gives you pictures and measurements, but it will also give you all the supplies and cutting and instructions for making 6 different cards, 4 of which I'm going to share with you today and give you a sneak peek of them, but it will give you everything you need to create those cards as well. So let's move on. This is card template number 25 in our series. So next up we have number 26. Now with this one, once again, there's our card base that we're starting with, and then we're going to have a couple of layers here. This first one is going to be 3 by 4 1/4, and we're going to put it on a layer just to really make it pop and stand out. That is 3 1/8 by 4 3/8. Now once again, cardstock, designer series paper, whatever you want to use, this is just to give you that layout. You know, some people call these card patterns, some people call them templates or sketches. I think sketches are more when you just have it drawn on a piece of paper. I have found that I have a hard time with the sketches when it's just drawn on a piece of paper because I don't have this physical piece to look at to make me visualize how I can use my products. And then we're going to add on a circle. The circle is 2 3/8, but again, you can vary that size. You could even vary the shape. I mean, this could be a square, a die cut, a punch, whatever, but that is your main layout. This will be where you'll build your focal layer on. Now, part of the tutorial, like I said, we'll have 6 cards, 2 with each. So for this one, I'm just sharing one of them. There's one more card using these products and this template where we turn the template, but you can see we really, again, are just making that designer series paper, the focal image. And then these pieces are stamped and colored with Stampin' Blends and die cut. And look at the texture. Here I use the same texture. It's a die that does that texturing that is part of the die set that goes with this. So this is template number 26 and one of the samples that's part of the tutorial. Okay, let's make template 27. Wow, we got a big collection of these going now. So again, card base 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now this one, I got quite a few little pieces here. So we are going to start out with the first one here that is 3 by 5 1/4. And we're going to stick that over towards the left so we kind of have even top, bottom, left edge. Again, DSP, colored cardstock, whatever you want to use. And then our next piece is going to be 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. So we're going to stick that. And this time we're going to stick this over to the right. So I'm kind of aiming for like the same size border here on the right that we have top, bottom, and left. Okay, so this is just kind of creating the background of our card. And then for our focal piece here, we have 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And we're going to put that onto a layer that is 2 3/8 by 3 7/8. You know, I love those eighths, right? So this is our focal layer that you can build on. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to stick this actually over to the left, just to have some more variety and not everything, you know, perfectly centered and square, but that'll be the focal layer. So that's what our template looks like. Now, for those of you that get the tutorial, remember it's free with the $50 order. You're going to get all of those measurements and you'll notice, let's see, right here, that they do have this little heart. And the intent of that is for this layer is kind of this template, it's intended to just add some pieces on here, not just stamp on this, which you absolutely could. But we kind of put it on the template just to show you, and you'll see in the sample here as we bring this in. Okay, again, these are fussy cut out of the designer series paper, and then we just stamped cheers, let's celebrate. Now again, look at designer series paper. Here I did cardstock, and always remember these tutorials, turn them whichever way you want, adjust the sizes, the shapes. They're really meant to be a pattern or a guide. Now let's bring in all 3 of them. Okay, so here are the 3 that we made this time. Now I forgot to print out something, so I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna haul in. Here's my stack of all the templates we've been making in this series. And you know what? Every single time I go to make a card, I pull these out and I flip through them. But with the tutorial, I always have a printout that you can cut the pieces that give you these sizes to glue them on the back. Now I forgot to print that out, so I'll do that after the video here to make sure mine are good. Or if you don't get that written tutorial, just handwrite on there all of your measurements. It'll make it a whole lot easier when you go to use these. Now let's pull in our cards. We've got that one, and that one. And those are our 3 templates for volume 8. Now make sure you use the link in the video description. It will take you to the blog post. Over there, I'll have some pictures as well as all the information for getting this month's tutorial. You can get it free when you place a $50 order through my online store. And we also have it available to purchase. I know some of you have just been purchasing them every month to have them as a resource. 6 amazing cards, all using the Cheers and Sips. You're gonna love the stamp set. It's fun, and it's not flowers. I'm one that tends to use flowers so often. So I hope you enjoy these templates. For those of you that are following along, we're adding to the stash. And if you're brand new to making card templates, make sure you check out the blog post as well, because over there we will have links to the first 7 classes. This is class 8, and then you will be able to catch up with us. And what did I say? 27 templates we're up to now. So I hope you're enjoying them as much as I do. Thanks for watching, friends. Make sure to share this video with your crafting friends and make your templates, but more important, use the templates to make cards and pop them in the mail to bless someone. So thanks for watching. Have a stamp happy day.